Technology's outdated, it's slow, it's industrial, and that's exactly why I like it. Easy tips. Number 1, don't be an idiot. Pretty simple. Alright guys, this is starting to become a real challenge because I finally got a signal on my GPS. It's another 2.25 miles. Well, and this kind of crap is probably at least an hour. But this, man, this is steep. Alright, well, picking a line here, there really isn't one, so just trying to avoid all those jagged edges with tires. So we're going to do what they teach you. Wing it. Let's go this way. Just get a little momentum at least. Okie doke. Yeah, look at this, man. Ooh, stuck on a rock. Oh, I gotta hope. Stuck. Whoa, big stuck. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. Got it. All right. I wasn't sure if my skid plate was going to clear that, but we were going to get like abandoned ship. Yeah, man. All right. Made it through that. Holy smokes. Look at this, guys. You see that? I mean, that's pretty much been the way. It's been that way. A lot of breath. All the way up. Back there. I mean, this. Good grief. Let's take a walk up and see. Alright, well, doesn't look like it gets any better. Man. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh, this is where this is where adventure comes in the oof. Alright. That's not going to clear the skid plate. I think we need to go. This is dicey. Whoa! Stuck on a rock. Come on. There you go. Man, how am I going to get up this thing? Poof. Should I just gun it? Or should I try to go over there? I know what makes for better TV. But yeah, that's steep, man. You know what? Boy, you don't have much room now. Now this is, do you imagine turning a big old GS around here? we might actually have to get off this thing and do this.
Hold on. Oh, we gotta hop off. See if we can. Yeah, I don't know, folks. Yeah, now I gotta get back on. Maybe. Alright. Come on down, come on down, come on down. Alright. Maybe we just gotta go that way. Yes, sir. We got it. We got it. Let's hope there's not another one of those. Now I know why this has been closed. Holy smokes, man. I think this is only right around 3 miles. Oh, I just slammed the skid plate there. See, you just got to keep going. Tell you what I do have to do, though. I'm going to let this guy, let me find a little flat spot right here. Yeah, maybe right here. I got to let this guy take a break. He's heating up. Oh, man. Holy smokes. Yeah, that's a workout, man. Hoo-wee. Oh, that was pretty crazy. That was steep. The whole thing of this is crazy. Never been on it, so welcome to Forest Service Road 46. Big rock, more mud. Oh boy. I mean, don't know how deep that is. So, that looks pretty darn deep, man. And I don't know if it's a culvert. Alright, so what we're gonna have to do, I'm kind of stuck. I'm stuck on a rock again. Come on. 1, 2. Nope. But just go on the edge. That's what we're going to try to do. Alright. Minor inconvenience. Temporary. Alright. Now, if we had a mile or two of this, it'd be awesome. Get some airflow over that engine. Boy, I can't believe how dark it is back here. And it's like 9 a.m. on a sunny day. Whoa. I'm gonna have to add 46 to the books. This is a good one. Now, I do see a little bit of a clearing. Oh, look at this rock. Come on, get down there, get down there, get up there. Oh, did you hear that? That was a skid plate. All right, so this is, oh, I stalled it. You big dummy. Hit that bump and hit the gear shifter. Man, I am playing with that skid plate a lot. These rocks are high. Wow, man, holy crap. This is like, no, that's deep. We can't catch a break back here, can we? If I get to the other end of this and it says close coming that way, ooh, did somebody make a path? Let's see. Ooh, ingenuity. Look at that. That's when you know it's deep, when there's another path around it. Ha-ha. You're not gonna foil me. Probably didn't help that I came here after one of the worst rainstorms we've had. Alright, this is some proper off-road. Oof. Alright, so that means people are coming up to go to the church. That means you gotta go down to get out. That makes sense. We're going to be on top of the fall, so I was right, it is a cliff, but it is a road. Actually, I wonder if it's like a road? Alright, here's somebody with their dog, so now we know we're safe. Alright, so we got the bike parked, we found some civilization, and I can hear some rushing falls, so it's pretty nice up here, and that's where that trail comes out. Man, I am sweating bullets, so let's go take a look.